In this very quick video guide, we'll see how we can export from Maya into Blender in different formats. Now you can see here that I have two armchairs. One is FBX and one is OBJ. And let me show you how you can do that. So starting from Maya, you select your object and go to File, and then select if you want to export the whole scene or just the selection. In this case, I want to export just the armchair. So I'm going to click on the little square there, and you can see here that I have two options, OBJ and FBX. Now with the OBJ, you can export also materials, smoothing groups, normals. With the FBX, you can export more. So if you go into the edit presets, you can see that you can have more options like smoothing groups for geometry or smooth mesh, and also you have animation. If the object is animated in Maya, you can export the animation, cameras, lights, and many other things. So usually FBX, it's a more complete type of exporting than OBJ, but I have exported in both formats. So when you're finished to do your settings here, you go to export, and you can see here that I have exported in both OBJ and FBX, so we can test it both. You can just save here the name of the file, and then you're good to go. Now in Blender, I'm gonna go to File and go to Import, and you can see here that I can import other formats as well, but in this video I'm gonna focus on OBJ and FBX. So this one is OBJ, so armchair OBJ import, and it's gonna look pretty small, so I'm just gonna scale it in order to see it better. Or, well, actually it could be the other way. There you go. Yeah, sometimes it's so big that you cannot frame it into your viewport, so just need to go around a little bit, then you will find it. And sometimes it's just too small, so you need to scale it. Now this is gonna be the OBJ version. Let's import the other one. So gonna import FBX, and this is the same armchair in FBX format, and I think it's, yeah, you can see there it's pretty small, and you can also change the proportions here if you want to customize it a little bit. Otherwise, be careful to scale it in 3 dimensions, not 1 or 2, but you can do that if you want to customize the proportions a little bit. Okay, so you can see that this is the same chair, but the material, it's a little bit different, and this is because, well, FBX, I think it contains more information from OBJ, or actually they interpret the materials in different ways, but I think this is better, and it's closer, well, not too closer to the one that I have here in Maya, but it's I think it's better looking. And also you can see here that it also imported the animation of the material. Now it didn't import the morphing animation created in Maya, but it imported only the animated material. Now in Maya you can animate lights, materials, people using bones and rigging. So you can do rigging, you can do morphing, you can animate the object in a really easy way with the rotation, movement, and scale. And most of this animation can be also exported using FBX format. Now this is gonna be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support us more, you can join as a supporter so that we can create more video guides and more video courses. And by the way, if you want, you can find other video guides and other video courses in 3D software like Maya and Blender, and also more in our channel. So feel free to explore, and also write your comments, which could be questions and assistance if you want to ask for assistance, but also if you want to give your suggestions to other users. So again, thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.